everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to insert doughnut chart in Excel. Now, there is a difference between pie chart and the doughnut chart, and doughnut chart belongs to the group of pie chart. The main difference between pie chart and doughnut chart is that you can represent the data for more than one series in case of a doughnut chart. And inserting a doughnut chart is very easy. All you have to do is that you should be having the data. For example, in this case, I have taken a data of Tata Motors Limited, and I have the net sales and the operating profit of various periods. Now, in order to insert the chart, first what I will do, I'll select the range of data for which I need my chart. As of now, I'm going to insert chart for March 8, 2017 and 18. Later on, if we want, we can include the other years as well. Now, in order to insert the chart, I'll give you the shortcut key Alt-N-Q. That will open up the pie chart. And here you can see the doughnut chart. Just click on that doughnut chart. And here you can see the chart has been inserted. Now, the main reason of inserting a doughnut chart is that in order to make your comparison easy, and also it will also give you a good visual representation of the data. Now, as of now, if at all I look at this chart, I do not get what exactly is this data all about. So, in order to get more clarity, what we can do, we can change the format of the design of the particular doughnut chart. In order to do that, make sure that you select the chart. Once you select the chart, you can see that the chart design and the format tab gets activated here. So, I'll just select this chart design. And here you can see various chart designs that is available. So, whichever style of data that you need, you can just select that type of data. Now, you can see this is the net operating, the net sales, and the second one is operating profit. Now, this is the data of 2017. If you select that particular layer, you can actually see that the data is getting highlighted at the background. So, if I select the second layer, you can see that is the data of March 2018. So, in March 2017, the net sales is 96%, whereas operating profit is only 4%. So, it is very easy for you to analyze and interpret the data. And what I'll do is I'll just resize the chart. Now, as of now, I have added March 2017 and March 2018 data. Now, how do I add this March 2019 data to my existing doughnut chart? And it is very easy. Now, in order to do that, all you have to do is that place your cursor towards the end. You can see that the shape of the cursor has been changed into double-headed arrow. What you need to do, you just drag down. You can see that the data is getting added on to the doughnut chart. Now, the doughnut chart, the more the series you add, the more clumsy it looks. So, you can change the design. You can go with chart design. You can go with the split layout and select any type that you want for better view. So, these are the different formats which has already been inbuilt in Excel. So, whichever format you need, you can just select it. So, in order to get a clear picture, you need to just resize. That is, you need to make sure that you enlarge your doughnut chart in order to get a clear clarity. And in order to remove that, again it is very easy. Place your cursor at the end. You can see that it has been changed, the cursor of the shape has been changed into double-headed arrow. Quickly start deselecting it so that the data will remain. This way, it is easy for you to analyze in which year the company has performed well and in which year the company has not performed well. And that concludes this video. If you are watching my video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe. Also click on the bell icon for further updates.